Number 1.
1981 Chevrolet C10, price $8,900. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a classic blue exterior that retains its vintage charm. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 motor paired with a matching transmission, offering reliable performance for both cruising and hauling. Recent upgrades include a brand new Edelbrock carburetor, radiator, condenser, and starter, ensuring the truck runs cool and starts reliably every time. Both the air conditioning and heat are fully functional, making it a comfortable ride in any season. The truck runs, drives, and stops just as it should, showing that it has been well maintained. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser, a shop truck, or a great starting point for a restoration, this C10 is ready to hit the road.
Number 2. 1998 GMC 1500, price $10,000, solid truck with approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission paired with a powerful 5.7L V8 engine, delivering reliable performance. The vehicle runs strong, and the transmission is in excellent condition. Though it carries a salvage title, the truck is currently registered with valid plates. It comes with a 4/6 drop suspension that gives it a sleek, aggressive stance. The black exterior paint is in good condition, and the gray interior is exceptionally clean, reflecting how well the vehicle has been maintained. Additional features include cold AC, ensuring comfort in warm weather, and a set of new tires that enhance both safety and appearance. It runs on gasoline, like most trucks of this era. Overall, the Sierra 1500 is a well-kept, eye-catching pickup that's ready for the road. Number 3.
1994 GMC Sierra, price $5,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 5.0L V8 engine. With 220,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs strong and has proven itself as a dependable daily driver. It features a clean white exterior and a blue interior, both of which remain in good condition, with no significant modifications from its factory setup. The current owner has invested over $7,000 in maintenance, most of it preventative, with receipts available. It also benefits from a newer paint job and tires that were replaced just 6 months ago. Although the vehicle runs well overall, it does exhibit a slightly hard shift from first to second gear when cold, a trait it has consistently shown since ownership began. The truck runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title.
Number 4.
1999 Ford F250, price $6,500, powered by a 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine paired with a ZF6 6-speed manual transmission. It has 382,000 miles and still runs strong with no engine issues or blow-by. The truck features a green exterior, off-white interior, and a gooseneck hitch in the bed. It comes with all new parts for an oil pan replacement, a locking toolbox, 2 full sets of wheels, a partial set of excursion wheels, 3 tailgates, an extra rust-free passenger door, and various spare parts. The frame has been undercoat. Issues include a leaking oil pan, worn tires, typical rust on the doors and bedsides, and small tears in the driver's seat. Originally bought as a restoration project, it's now ready for someone with the time to finish it.
Number 5.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck is a clean and well-maintained single-cab short bed pickup, showing only 114,000 original miles on the odometer.
It features a V8 305 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance.
The truck has been lowered and rides on stylish 17-inch vision wheels, giving it a sporty stance. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior is a clean gray, with no cracks in the dash and a well-kept cabin overall. Although the body remains in good condition, some rust is starting to appear at the bottoms of the doors, which is common for its age. This gasoline-powered 1500 remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a classic 90s Chevy truck with a custom touch and low mileage.
Number 6.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $5,495, with just 123,000 miles on the odometer, is in very nice condition and comes with a rebuilt title. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean gray interior, this truck combines style and practicality. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, it delivers reliable performance that's well suited for both work and everyday driving. The Ranger offers a spacious interior and a long bed, making it ideal for hauling tools, equipment, or gear for weekend adventures. It also includes air conditioning, power steering, and an AM/FM radio, ensuring every ride is both comfortable and enjoyable. With its solid mechanics and durable build, this Ranger still has plenty of life left and remains a dependable choice for anyone in need of a versatile pickup.
Number 7. 1991 Ford F-150, price $5,500, featuring an automatic transmission and a desirable short bed with an extended cab. It comes equipped with dual gas tanks, 33-inch off-road tires, and tinted windows, giving it a bold and capable stance. The truck also includes a Bluetooth radio for modern convenience, along with a cold-blowing air conditioning system and a reliable heater that performs well in colder conditions. It starts right up every time and is ready for local drives. However, please note that the transmission does have issues. It struggles to shift gears smoothly at higher speeds and may jolt when accelerating, although it cruises fine once in gear. Due to this, it is recommended to bring a trailer if you're planning to pick it up for transport. Number 8. 1986 Dodge D150, price $8,500. It features the original 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and is configured as a 2WD long bed. The truck still retains its original drivetrain and is in straight, clean condition for its age. Finished in a silver exterior with a red interior, it offers a classic look that stands out. The current owner, who has had the truck for the past 5 years and is its fourth owner, has made a few upgrades, including new wheels and tires and a quality Flowmaster exhaust system, giving it a nice tone and improved aesthetics. The original wheels are also included in the sale. While the truck runs, it is still considered a project and will need some mechanical attention. Specifically, the timing is off, and the carburetor requires adjustment. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,588, dependable truck that blends classic Chevy power with modern upgrades. With 364,000 miles on the odometer, it has clearly been used, but it still runs strong thanks to a brand new rebuilt transmission, which comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Under the hood, it packs a powerful 5.7L V8 engine, delivering the kind of rumble and performance that Chevy enthusiasts appreciate. The truck is equipped with 4-wheel drive, making it capable of handling off-road adventures or tough terrain with confidence. A leveling kit and 35-inch tires give it an aggressive stance and improved ground clearance, enhancing both its look and functionality. Inside, the extended cab provides extra space, perfect for gear, tools, or passengers. The addition of a touchscreen aftermarket stereo brings a modern touch to the interior, offering upgraded sound and convenience in a rugged classic. Finished in beige both inside and out, this Silverado is more than just a workhorse, it's a statement. Number 10. 1980 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500, well-maintained classic with 84,000 miles, a blue exterior and interior, and an automatic transmission. Powered by a 350 V8 with 305 G-body heads, it's tuned for 91 octane and features an Edelbrock EPS intake, KN breather, new front main seal, harmonic balancer, starter, and a Tough Stuff 140 amp alternator. It has fresh coolant with an aluminum radiator, a painless triple relay fan setup for AC, and a new AGM battery with mil-spec cables. The truck has been converted to power steering and received a full brake system overhaul, including a new master cylinder, booster, calipers, rotors, pads, shoes, rear soft lines, and wheel bearings on all corners. The transmission was serviced at 79K and has a new Milodon billet dipstick. All receipts are included. It runs strong, drives great, and comes with a clean Arizona title. Test drives welcome.